Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and verify game files on Ubisoft Connect. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video without wasting any time. So firstly, make sure that you have your Ubisoft Connect application downloaded onto your device and make sure that you've already logged in into your account as well. Once you've already logged in, all you need to do is on the left hand side of your screen, there's going to be a library tab. Simply go ahead and click on that. Right now, as you can see, I've not downloaded any of the games. However, when you have the downloaded games and whenever you want to just verify the files, all you need to do is click on this triple dot icon, and as you can see, there's going to be this manage button, and exactly on the manage button there's going to be verify or repair files option. Simply click on that and it's going to simply start verifying your files, and if there is a problem, it's going to download and repair it itself as well. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.